You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is k smaller than 1/3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 1/3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the k. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is k smaller than 1/3.